In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Wise account to Stripe, so you can easily receive international payouts from your Stripe account into your Wise balance. A great option if you're running a global business or freelancing online. Let's get started. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, go to stripe.com and sign up first. Now, go to the Developers section at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Then click on Webhooks. Click the plus add endpoint button. You'll need to enter the Wise webhook URL they provide. You can find that in your Wise business account under Settings Greater than Webhooks. Make sure you're logged into your Wise business account for this step. Next, choose which events you want Stripe to send to Wise, like payouts paid, transfers created, or charges succeeded. These help keep your account synced. After saving the endpoint, Stripe will generate a secret signing key. Copy that and go back to your Wise account. Paste it under the webhook settings so Wise can securely receive data from Stripe. Once everything is set up, test the connection by making a small test transaction through Stripe and checking if it shows up in your Wise account. And that's it. You've successfully connected Wise to Stripe, making it easy to receive and manage international payments without high bank fees. Thanks for watching. If this helped you streamline your payments, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart business and finance tips. See you next time.